In this video, we will talk about ultrasound findings of abdomen and anatomy of kidney. This is liver, this is right kidney, this is left kidney, and this is spleen. Kidneys are pair of bean-shaped organ present on either side of spine at the level of T12 to L3. Right kidney is slightly lower due to presence of liver. When we talk about kidney, this is a cortex, this is medulla, and outer layer is cortex. This is spleen. Normal size of spleen in adult is up to 12 centimeter. Normal size of liver in adult is about 17 centimeter. When we talk about poles of kidney, we label it as upper pole, mid pole, and lower pole. When we talk about findings of kidney ultrasound, you can find a normal kidney and its position. This is a normal position. This is present uh, on either side. Kidney can be ectopic, may be present in pelvis. During ultrasound of kidney, you can find renal stones, hydronephrosis, ureteric stones, renal cyst, renal mass, or parenchymal change. When we compare the echogenicity of these two organs, when the echogenicity of liver is enhanced, we label it as fatty liver. When echogenicity of kidney is enhanced, we label it as renal parenchymal change. When we talk about the normal size of kidney during ultrasound, that is about uh, 8 to 12 centimeter in diameter in